Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have started with our third type of formula, that is of UV. We have written the formulas and solved one sum. As I said, two sums we will solve without scale transformation, and after that the three sums we will solve with scale transformation, and the reasons I have explained yesterday. So now we are going to solve the sum. So friends, 7th sum was solved yesterday. Now we are going for the 8th sum, that is also without the scale transformation, and page number is 84. So 8th sum. An engineer association wants to know the relation between the production in 1000 units and the unit production cost of different factories. Information collected from 6 factories regarding the production and the unit production cost is given below. Production cost and cost per unit. Again, question number 7 and 8 are not so large values that we need to convert with the scale transformation. In comparing to the 9th sum, 10th sum and 11th sum. 9th sum's values are large, and the 10th and 11th sum the values are with decimal. So we need to convert that. Okay, but here no scale transformation is required. So normally you will get. So exercise 2.2, going for some number. Production in 1000 units, that is X. Cost per unit in rupees, that is Y. U is equals to X minus A. V is equals to Y minus B. UV, U square, V square. 15, 20, 35, 24, 18, 31, 95, 90, 75, 80, 87, 70. Let us check the values. Yes. Now we will draw the lines. Sigma X, sigma Y, sigma U, sigma V, sigma UV, sigma U square, sigma V square. X bar, sigma X upon N, Y bar, sigma Y upon N. 15, 20, 35, 24, 18, 31, 143. So 143 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 23.83 thousand units. 95, 90, 75, 80, 87, 70. 497 divided by 6, 82.83 rupees. Again I am saying friends, you can use any method. If you are using XY method in this sum, both are non-integer, then also answer will come, because what is the reason for not using that method? Because squares will be very large. Otherwise you can use the method, you have calculator, but if you are making single mistake, then everything will be in vain. Okay, now x bar is 23.83. So first of all, any value near to it is there? Yes, 24 is there. Okay, any other value is repeating? No other value is repeating. So let us decide A as 24 itself. So 15 minus 24 is 9, minus 9. 20 minus 24, minus 4. 35 minus 24, 11. 24 minus 24, 0. 18 minus 24, minus 6. 31 minus 24, 7. Okay. Minus 9, minus 4, plus 11, minus 6, plus 7. Minus 1. Okay, now 82.83. Any value near to it is there? Yes, so much values are there. 80 is also there, but no value is repeating. So let us take 80 only. Nearest value. If you need, you can take 90 also. Okay, last answer will be same. So 95 minus 80 is 15. 90 minus 80 is 10. 75 minus 80 is minus 5. 80 minus 80 is 0. Now see, if we have selected these two values, then this whole line will be 0. Okay. So 87 minus 80 is 7. 70 minus 80 minus 10. 15 plus 10 minus 5 plus 7 minus 10. 70. Now multiplication. 15 into 9 and minus. 15 nines are minus 135. 4 tens are and 1 minus, so minus 40. 11 fives are 55 and 1 minus, so minus 55. 0 zeros are 0. 7 sixes are 42 but in minus. 7 tens are 70 but in minus. So everything is minus. So 135, 40, 55, 42, 70. So it will be minus 342. U square. 9 square 81, 4 square 16, 11 square 121, 0 square 0, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 81, 16, 121, 36, 49, 303. V square. 15 square 225, 10 square 100, 5 square 25, 0 square 0, see whole line is 0. 7 square 49, 10 square 100. Let me check it. Okay. 225, 100, 25, 49, 100, 499. Now finally the formula. R is equals to n into sigma uv minus sigma u multiply sigma v whole divided by in the first square root n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square multiply in the second square n into sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. Okay, n is 6, sigma uv is minus 342 minus sigma u is minus 1 and sigma v is 70 divided by in the first square n is 6, u square is 303 minus u whole square is minus 1 square multiply in the second square n is 6, v square is 499 minus 17 square. Okay, 342 into 6 but in minus 2052 minus minus plus 17 ones are 17. Okay. 303 into 6, 1818 in square root. And minus will remain minus and 1 square is 1. In the second square root, 6 into 499. So 2994. Minus 17 square is 289. Now 2052 minus plus 70. So minus 2035 divided by, in the first square root 1817, in the second square root 2994 minus 289 is 2705 minus 2035 divided by 1817 multiply 2705 equals to and square root 2216.976, so 98. So answer will be minus 2035 divided by 2216.98, so minus 0.92. 917 is there, so 92. So the answer is minus 0.92. Okay friends, so this was the sum without scale transformation, that is 7th and 8th sum. Now we are going for the 9th sum, the values of which are very large, so we are using scale transformation, but again friends, the formula will not change and the columns also will not change, so don't worry about that. Okay, going for the next sum, that is 9th sum. First we are reading the question. Find the correlation coefficient between yearly per capita income in rupees and the price of index per person of 6 different cities of the following data. Yes. Sum number 9. The column of city is extra. Then yearly per capita income in rupees, that is our X. Price index is Y, but it does not have any unit. U is equals to X, only write this much. V is equals to Y minus, write this much, because whenever we are taking scale transformation, no AB is required. Okay, now UV, U square, V square. A, B, C, D, E, F. 32,000, 29,000, 40,000, 36,000, 30,000, 39. 120, 100, 250, 180, 110, 220. sigma x, sigma y. sigma u, sigma v, sigma uv, sigma u square, sigma v square. X bar is sigma x by n, y bar is sigma y by n. 32,000, 29,000, 40,000, 36,000, 30,000 and 39,000. 2,06,000. 2,06,000 divided by 6. 34,333.33 rupees. 120, 100, 250, 180, 110, 220, 980. 980 divided by 6. 163.33. As you know, it is index. So index do not have any unit. Okay. Now, friends, first of all, select the nearest value near to 34,333. Which value can we select? It's up to us. If we are selecting 36,000, then also it is okay. This is the most nearest value. So let us select 36,000. Okay, nearest value. X minus 36,000 divided by. Now friends, how much zeros are in common? 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3. So minimum zeros should be there. So 3 and 1. How you should decide this? See friends, first of all, normally deciding like without scale transformation, 36,000 is the nearest value. Then there are how much zeros in common? All have 3 zeros except 40,000. So write 3 zeros and write 1 before it. You can do it by 2,000, 3,000, but better to do by 1,000 only. Okay? Yes. Now 32,000 minus 36,000 divided by 1,000. 32,000 minus 36,000 divided by 1,000 is minus 4. See, our value is very small. 29,000 minus 36,000 divided by 1,000 is minus 7. 40,000 minus 36,000 divided by 1,000 is plus 4. 36,000 minus 36,000 divided by 1,000 is 0. 30,000 minus 36,000 divided by 1,000 is minus 6. 39,000 minus 36,000 divided by 1,000 is 3. Or if you directly do 39 minus 36, then also it is okay. See, 32 minus 36 minus 4. 29 minus 36 minus 7. That way also you can do. It's up to you. So minus 4 minus 7 plus 4 minus 6 plus 3 minus 10. Now 163's nearest value is 180. So we are writing 1. If you don't need to divide by anything, then also it is okay. But if you want, then you can take the value. Each value has minimum 1 0. So 1 0. So 10. Okay. 120 minus 180 divided by 10 is minus 6. 100 minus 180 divided by 10 is minus 8. 250 minus 180 divided by 10 is 7. 180 minus 180, now this whole line is 0. 110 minus 180 divided by divided by 10 is 7. 220 minus 180 divided by 10 is minus 6, minus 8, plus 7, and plus 4 is 4. Yes, now UV. Minus minus plus 6 4s are 24. Minus minus plus 7 8s are 56. 7 4s are 28. 0 zeros are 0. 7 6s are 42, but in minus 3 4s are 20. 110 minus 180 divided by 10 is here. Minus 7 is there. Is my mistake. Let me remove the mistake once minute. Let me check it once. 12 minus 18 minus 600 minus 18 minus 8, 250. It's 25 minus 18 is 7, 180 0, 110 minus 7, 4. Minus 6 minus 8 plus 7 minus 7 plus 4. Here also it is minus 10, it is my mistake, okay? And here it will be plus 24, 56, 28, 42 and 12 is 162. Yes. Now use 4 square is 60, 7 square is 49, 4 square is 60, 0 square 0, 6 square 36, 3 square 9. 16, 49, 16, 36 and 9, 126. Now b square, 6 square 36, 8 square 64, 7 square 49, 0, 0, 7 square 49, 4 square 16. 36, 64, 49, 49 and 16, 214. Let us do the sum. N is 6, so 6 into sigma u is 162. See, I have written the formula, I have not spoke. N into sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma uv, n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square, in second square root n into sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. Formula will not change if you are using scale transformation or if you are not using scale transformation. Now n is 6, sigma u is 162. Minus sigma u is minus 10, sigma v is also minus 10, divided by, in the first square root, n is again 6, sigma u square 126, minus sigma u whole square means 10 whole square. In the second square root, n is 6, v square is 214, minus minus 10 square. Okay, 162 into 6. 972. Okay friends, now remember one thing. Here 1, 2 and 3 minus are there. So the sign will be minus and 100. 10 tens are 100 and there are 3 minus, so sign will remain minus itself. Now 126 into 6, 756. Again minus will remain minus because minus 10 square is plus 100. Okay, remember this thing. Minus 10 square is plus 100 and minus 1 is there. Okay, so 1 minus will remain at the same place. Now 214 into 6, 1284, again the same thing, minus 100. Okay, it will not be plus. So 872 divided by 656 into 1154. So 872 divided by 656 multiply 1184 equals to n in square root. 881.31 because 308 is there. Okay, so 872 divided by 881.31, 0.99. Why 0.99? 0.989 is there, so 0.99. This is our answer. Okay, so friends, we have completed a sum with scale transformation where the values are large. Now next we are taking the sum where scale transformation is required but their values are not large, but there what we have decimals. So one thing must be remembered. See, here there were 3 zeros, so write 3 zeros. Here there was 1 0, so write 1 0. So, and in the front write 1 and in the front write 10. Now whenever we are having decimals, so the number of decimals, how we should convert, we should see in the next sum. Okay. Sum number 10, page number 84. The following data are given to study the relation between number of persons in a family who drive vehicle and usage of petrol in liters per week Find the correlation coefficient between members of family and usage of petrol. Again, why scale transformation and UV method is required? See, values are very small, but values are having decimals. Now it is up to you. If you are using XY method, then also it is okay. But using XY method, if we are multiplying and taking the square, and if there is 1 point mistake or 1 decimal mistake, for that we are doing this. But it's up to you. If you like XY method, it is very good. If you like UV normal method without scale, then also it is okay for me. I require the answers. Okay, answer. Number of members per family who drive vehicle. They are X. Weekly usage of petrol in liter, that is Y. U is equals to X minus, V is equals to Y minus, UV, U square, V square. 3, 5, 2, 4, 3, 6, 1, 11.5, 21, 14.5, 15.5, 7, 22.5 and 10. Let me check. Yes. X bar is equals to sigma X by N. Y bar is equals to sigma Y by N. Sigma X, sigma Y, sigma U, sigma V, sigma UV, sigma U square, sigma V square. First, let's find X bar, Y bar. 3, 5, 2, 4, 3, 6, 1, 24. 24 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3.428 means 3.43 members. 11.5, 21, 14.5, 15.5, 7, 22.5, 10, 102, 102 upon 7, 14.57 meters. Now friends, we are deciding about U and V. So it is 3.43. So value nearby 3.43 can be 3 also and 4 also. Better to take 4. Now there are no zeros common or nothing is common. So we are not doing anything to this value. We are not dividing because dividing is not required. So scale transformation is not required. So I will take only 4 and that is also allowed. Okay. For that reason I am solving this sum by this method. In some of the sums, if you think that only V is required and U is not required for scale, then also it is okay, and U is required required, then also it is okay. So it's up to us. Okay, better to take, we will take 3 itself. Why 3 itself? Because 3 is repeating. Okay, if you are taking 4 also, then it's not a problem, but 3 is repeating. As I said, anything must be repeat, should be taken. Okay, 3 minus 3, 0, 5 minus 3, 2, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 4 minus 3, plus 1, 3 minus 3, 0, 6 minus 3, 3, 1 minus 3, minus 2. 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 minus 2 is 3. Now, here near to 14.57 we have 14.5. Now the thing what was I am telling about the decimals. If you have 0 zeros in common, then you are writing zeros and in front you are writing 1. Now whenever you are having decimals, so what you should write, how much decimals? Point after 1. So write 0.1, write 0.1 and here write 0. So whenever you are having 1 decimal, divide by 0.1, 2 decimals, then 0.01, 3 decimals, then 0.0001. That is the method. And if you are not doing also, then also your answer will come. 11.5 minus 14.5 divided by 0.1 is minus 30. 11.5 minus 14.5 divided by 0.1 is minus 30. 21 minus 14.5 divided by 0.1 is 65. Then 14.5 will become 0. 15.5 minus 14.5 divided by 0.1 is 10. 7 minus 14.5 divided by 0.1 minus 7.5. No, sorry, minus 70. So there will be no decimal. Okay. Now 22.5 minus 14.5 divided by 0.1 is 8. 10 minus 14.5 divided by 0.1 is minus 45. So minus 30 plus 65 plus 10 minus 75 plus 80 minus 45 is 5. Minus 30 plus 65 plus 10 minus 75 plus 80 minus 40. U. This becomes 0. 65 into 2, 130. This becomes 0. 10 ones are 10. This becomes 0. 8 threes are 24. So 240 and 45 twos are 90. See, the values will become most of 0. 130, 10, 130 plus 10 plus 240 plus 90, 470. Now U square. 0 square 0. 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 3 square 9, 2 square 4. So 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 4 is 90. Now V square. Minus 30 square is 900. 65 square is 4, 2, 5, only one value is there which is very large. Okay, 0 square 0, 10 square 100, 75 square, this is also large value, 5625, 80 square 6400, and 45 square is 205. Okay, yes, 900, 4225, 100, 5625, 6400, 2025. Little big value 19,275. Okay. Now formula R is equals to n into sigma uv minus sigma u minus into sigma v divided by first square root n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square multiply second square root n into sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. N is 7. Sigma uv is 470. Minus sigma u is 3, sigma v is 5, divided by in the first square root. N is 7, u square is 19, u whole square is 3 whole square, multiply in the second square root. N is 7, v square is 19,275 minus v whole square is 5 whole square. So little bit values are large, but values are practically not that much. 470 into 7, 3290 minus 5 these are 15. Divided by the first square root. 19 into 7, 133 minus 3 square is 9 in the second square root. 19,275 into 7, 1,34,925 minus 25. 3290 minus 15. 3275 in the first square root. 133 minus 9, 124 in the second square root. 1,34,900. Okay. Now 3275 divided by 124 into 1,34,900 equals to button and square root 4089.938 means 94. 3275 divided by 4089.94, 0.80. Answer is 0.80. So friends, this was the sum with decimals. So we have divided by 0.1 and only 1 is there. Other we did not require, so we have not done like that. Now the last sum of this big sum. For exercise 2.2, now last sum which we use by scale transformation. Now all the big sums will be over by this. Okay? Yes. 11th sum. Let's see the question. Following information is obtained to study the effect of use of fertilizer on yield of corn in rural area. Find correlation coefficient between fertilizer and corn. So the last sum, 11th sum, big sum of this exercise. After that all are small. Use of fertilizer in quintal, that is X. Yield of corn in quintal, that is Y. U is equals to X minus V is equals to Y minus UV U square V square. Here all are with decimals. 1.5, 2.1. Here compulsory scale transformation is required. Otherwise, there are so much decimals in these sums. 1.8, 1.1, 1.2. Okay. 60, 95, 50, 75. 45, 70. sigma u, sigma v, sigma ub, sigma u square, sigma v square. X bar is equals to sigma x by m. After that, y bar is equals to sigma y by n. One point five, 2.1, 0.9, 1.8, 1.1, 1.2, 8.6. 8.6 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. 1.43 quintal. 60, 95, 50, 75, 45, 75. 400. 400 divided by 6. 66.67 quintal. Yes. Now the value nearby 1.43. We can take it as 1.5. Okay. Near value is 1.5 divided by each value has 1 point, so divided by 0.1. 1.5 minus 1.5 divided by 0.1 is 0. 2.1 minus 1.5 divided by 0.1 is 6. 0.9 minus 1.5 divided by 0.1 is minus 6. 1.8 minus 1.5 divided by 0.1 is 3. 1.1 minus 1.5 divided by 0.1 is minus 4. 1.2 minus 1.5 divided by 0.1 is minus 3. Now 6 minus 6 plus 3 minus 4 minus 3, it is minus 4. Or otherwise 6 minus 6 cancel, 3 minus 3 cancel, remaining is minus 4. Okay. Now for y, nearby value of 66, we can take it as 75 is also repeating. Okay, so we are taking 75. Now see, if you don't want to divide, then also it is okay. See, in some values there is 0, some values it is 5. So it is possible that all the values can be divided by 5 also. Okay, so if you want, you can divide by 5, otherwise that is not a problem, but each value is divisible by 5, so we are taking 60 minus 75 divided by 5, minus 3. 95 minus 75 divided by 5, 4. 50 minus 75 divided by 5, minus 5. 75 minus 75, 0. 45 minus 75 divided by 5 is minus 6 and again 0. Let me check it once. Okay, so minus 3 plus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 10. Yes, multiplication 0 3s are 0, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, minus minus plus, 3 zeros are 0, 6 4s are 24, minus minus plus, 3 zeros are 0. 24, 30, 24, 78. Okay, now u square. 0 square is 0, 6 square is 36, 6 square is 36, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 36, 36, 9, 16, 9, 106. Now v square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 0 square is 0, 6 square 36, 0 square 0. 9, 16, 25, 36 is 86. Yes. Now we will write the formula. R is equal to n into sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v. Divide by first square root n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square, and in second square root n into sigma v v square minus sigma v whole square. Okay, now what is n? N is 6. What is uv? It is 78 minus sigma u is minus 4, sigma v is minus 10, divided by the first square root. N is 6, u square is 106, u whole square is minus 4 whole square, multiply the second square root. 6 into 86 minus 10 whole square. So 78 into 6, 468. Now see there are 3 minus, so sign will be minus. 4 tens are 40, divided by 106 into 6, 636, and again minus 60, because minus 4 square is plus 16, and again one more minus. Multiply 86 into 6, 516 minus 100, because minus 10 square is plus 100 and minus 1 sign is there. Now 468 minus 40, 428, 636 minus 16, under 620 and 416. So 428 divided by 620 into 416 equals to, and square root, 507.86. 428 divided by 507.86, it is 0.842, so 0.84. So friends, today we have completed all the big sums for first, second and third type. Now we will learn the new formulas that are for small sums, and then we are moving forward the next topic. Till that time, write the things which are learned. Okay, thank you so much.